These hypersaline waters keep many predators at bay, so it's here they choose to nest. There are more than 10,000 pairs here. It's the largest breeding colony in North America. Nest mounds keep chicks clear of the brine while they're still at their most vulnerable. But this generation faces a problem. The storms that come each season are arriving earlier every year, and the colony lies directly in their path. Rising winds create a storm surge that overwhelms the most exposed nests. And then it rains. The adults do what they can, bailing out their nests. But they can only do so much. The storm passes, but leaves devastation in its wake. Most nests are submerged.